Hi, this is Viram from Vested, and today we're going to be talking about why you should be investing in the US stock market. We at Vested strongly believe that international investing is a need rather than a choice in today's age. And here are the top 5 reasons why. The first reason is purely from a diversification standpoint. There are 4 main pillars of diversification. There's asset-based, time-based, industry-based, and geography-based. The fourth pillar, which is geography-based diversification, is missing from the majority of our portfolios. This kind of diversification allows you to move away from single country or single currency risk. Secondly, the US stock market is the largest stock market in the world. It controls 56% of the global market cap, and the NYSE and NASDAQ together are 42 trillion in market cap. This large market gives a lot of different optionalities in terms of investments and also provides tons of liquidity. Third, from a return standpoint, the US stock market has actually outperformed the Indian stock market over the last 10 years. Say, for example, you had invested 10,000 rupees in the Sensex as well as the S&P 500 10 years ago. Today, that 10,000 would be worth 28,000 in the Sensex, whereas it would be worth 37,000 in the S&P 500. That doesn't seem that big a difference, right? But actually, these are both different currencies. The Sensex is in rupee, whereas the S&P 500 is in dollars. Now, if you bring them both in the same currency, that 10,000 that you invested in the Sensex would actually be worth only 17,000, whereas the investment in the S&P 500 would stay the same. Why? Because the rupee has actually depreciated by 63% over the last 10 years, as it has moved from 45 rupees for $1 to now close to about 72 to 73 rupees per dollar. Fourth is access to companies that are available in the US. Now, we all know global brands like Apple, Facebook, Google, Nike, Starbucks. All of those are available on the US stock markets. But along with these companies, also what is available to invest in is companies that are working at the cutting edge in their fields that are going to grow over the next few years, such as artificial intelligence, CRISPR in healthcare, cloud computing, electric vehicles. All of these sectors have amazing companies that are up and coming and are available in the US public markets for one to invest in. Lastly, we are all aspirational. We all have global ambitions like studying abroad, living abroad, or even traveling abroad. So why not save in the same currency to ensure that you don't take any currency risk?
5 पैसा के साथ निवेश और ट्रेडिंग की शुरुआत करने के लिए 5 पैसा मोबाइल ऐप डाउनलोड कीजिए। 5 पैसा के प्रोडक्ट्स और सर्विसेज के बारे में ज़्यादा जानकारी के लिए और लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स के लिए हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.